Is Jacob still wrestling?
Yeah.
I'm taping.
Do you go watch?
No.
I love watching wrestling.
It's always during time.
I'm taping.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Oh, and Grandpa Bob.
Happy birthday, Grandpa Bob.
It's Grandpa Bob's birthday. Happy birthday, Grandpa Bob.
Grandma.
I'm Grandma, yeah.
Grandpa.
Grandpa, happy birthday, Grandpa.
Jacob.
Oh, my funny guy.
Happy birthday, Grandpa Bob.
We'll send that to Auntie Ann.
Yeah.
Jacob.
Oh, that's a nice boy.
Make it look